The Scottish Clan Erskine has a rich and varied history that spans several centuries. It is one of the oldest clans in Scotland, with its origins in the lands of Erskine on the south of the Clyde in Renfrew. The name may have been derived from the ancient British for green rising ground. The Erskine family played a crucial role in Scottish history, with several members of the family serving as constables and keepers of the royal Castle of Stirling. Sir Robert de Erskine, for example, held the title of Lord Great Chamberlain of Scotland and Justiciar north of the Forth. The family also claimed one of the great Celtic titles in the mid-15th century, when Sir Robert Erskine claimed the ancient earldom of Mar by right of his descent from Isabella, Countess of Mar. The Erskines were staunch supporters of the Bruce family and played a crucial role in establishing the succession to the throne of Robert II, the first of the Stuart dynasty. They also became guardians to young James IV and were thereafter guardians to 5 successive generations of royalty. The ill-fated Mary, Queen of Scots, spent the first 5 years of her life around Alloa and Stirling Castle with the Erskines. The 6th Earl of Mar, born in 1675, was known for his ability to change political allegiance according to pragmatic needs or desire for gain, and has passed into history as Bobbing John. He led the Jacobites in a failed rising in 1715 and fled to France, with his title and lands forfeited. The estates were later purchased by another branch of the family. The Erskines were restored to the earldom of Mar in 1824 and the earldom of Kelly became united with the earldom of Mar in 1835. Today, the Erskine family continues to be a prominent and influential force in Scottish society, with many of its members involved in politics, business, and the arts. The Clan Erskine also has a rich and vibrant cultural heritage. The family crest features a hand holding a laurel wreath, and the motto is Je pense plus, I think more. The tartan of the Clan Erskine is predominantly green and black, with white and red accents. The clan also has its own pipe music, with the Erskines' Welcome to Earth being a particularly popular tune. The history of the Scottish Clan Erskine is a testament to the resilience, courage, and ingenuity of the Scottish people. From their origins in the lands of Erskine to their role in shaping the destiny of Scotland, the Erskines have left an indelible mark on Scottish history and culture. Today, the clan continues to be an important part of Scottish society, and its members continue to make significant contributions in a wide range of fields.